Welcome back. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we are walking through an apartment that's been completely remodeled here in Laureles near La 70. Stay till the end because I'm going to show you exactly where it is on the map. This is a great apartment for as a rental or to live in because it's turnkey. You don't have to do anything to it. Look at this. It's beautifully remodeled. This is the half bath. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. This is the other living area. You could make it a workstation for, maybe an office with a living area here. I mean, you could do so much with this. And it's got a little balcony here overlooking the street. La 70's on that side. This is the kitchen. Look at this beautiful island with the brand new stovetop. Everything is new. This is the patio area, which is the laundry area. You could do a lot with that area too. You could maybe change it up there. But let's go back over here to the rooms. And again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5. This is one of the bedrooms. They are bigger bedrooms because this is an older building. It's an older building that was completely remodeled, or an older apartment. Look at this bathroom. It's huge. Compared to apartments nowadays, the new ones that are tiny, this is a lot of space. You could easily fit king-size beds over here. The bathrooms are big. This is the master bedroom, which also has a little patio over there to the left. You have your area for your TV with cable management built into the wall. You've got a walk-in closet with a lot of storage area, and it's a bathroom right here with a big shower as well, with that waterfall or that rainfall shower head, which I love. This one is going for 950 million Colombian pesos, which is about 250,000 US dollars right now. It's 149 square meters, which is about over 1,500 square feet. Now let's take a look at the map to see where it's located in Laureles. Okay, so if we go to our website, MedellinLivingRealEstate.com, and take a look at this listing, we can see, if we scroll all the way down here to the map, that this is located in the neighborhood of Estadio. This neighborhood is right next to La 70. As you can see, it's only about a block away from La 70, where all of the restaurants, nightlife, cafes, etc. are here in this area. And obviously you are very close to the stadium, which is right here. So for investment purposes as a rental, this is a key location because this is where a lot of tourists come. Not only foreign tourists from other countries, but also Colombian tourists. When they stay in Medellin, a lot of them come to watch soccer matches. A lot of them come to the events at the stadium, like concerts when Bad Bunny, Shakira, etc. come throughout the year. So that's why this is such a great area for a rental. So here's Google Maps. We're going to scroll into where this is located. Here's the map. And we're going to go to La 70, which I believe is this way. Oh yeah, here's La 70. There's the Éxito. And if you go that way, it's the university. And if you go this way, you go to the stadium. So yeah, if we just keep walking through here. And the great thing about this is that it's all flat. So, if you lived here, look at, you could jog on the street. There's bike lanes. It's one of the reasons I loved living near La 70 was because of this. And you're far enough from La 70 that you're not going to get all the nightlife noise, all of the discos, because they do get loud. If you lived here, it would be pretty much impossible to sleep. But since you are a couple blocks away, it's a great location. Here's the metro station, and the stadium's just back there. So let me know what you guys think. If you're interested in this one, or maybe you're just looking for something completely different, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.